Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with SmartOptionTrading.com. Happy Wednesday, the 21st of January. This is my midweek update. It's Wednesday, and markets here have had one hell of a recovery today, though it wasn't the easiest. You look at the ES here, the first thing you'll notice is you have these king queen bullish candle here, where we have this candle combination where we have engulfed the previous day's action, and we're trying to break to the upside on the ES, and that looks very good. The NQ, similar, even wider, actually got up and almost filled the gap. Bonds have had a huge recovery today. This is very important. And most importantly here, as we're looking today, the VIX. The VIX here is smashed down. This is risk on back in the Bollinger Bands. Look at the size of this move back down. This is exactly what we're looking for here. Now, if you look at the SPY today, say, was it easy? Say, no, it wasn't easy. Um, we knew today was all going to be about Trump and Davos, and boy, was it Trump day. It was Trump, 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 and then more Trump, and still some more Trump. But bottom line is he finally appeased the markets. So we were up at first during his speech, which was one for the record books in terms of length. And then we sold off and then we went sideways. And right here, he put out a social media post on Truth Social that he had reached a deal with NATO on Greenland and the Arctic, the framework of a deal. And here we go. We popped right back up. And there would be no tariffs on February 1st. Okay, so we could put that mostly behind us now. How we close here is important. We need to hold above the 8 and the 21 day. We got into them briefly, but came back off of it here. Shooting this video, there's about 18 minutes to go, just to give you an idea. Importantly, we're back above 681.82. That is for the January, the level we have to close above to have a green month in January. All right, let's talk about what else is going on. We had earnings this morning from J&J. It's come back. They didn't like the report, but they bought the weakness back. We had Schwab. They did not like that report either, but they bought the weakness back. And you had Halliburton, which they actually liked the report. In general, energy was strong out of the gate. I traded some XLE calls, made a little bit, not great, but made money on it. And, money's money. What else? The financials today, not much today. They didn't bounce back all that much. Goldman Holding and Noel, along with Morgan Stanley, the two they like the best. The SMHs, new all-time highs. Yep, you're gonna go through this again. You're gonna say it's Micron. Yep, it's Micron. It's SNDK. Yep, it's SNDK. Right? Did AMAT play today? Yeah, AMAT came back. Right? Those names. Intel had another nice day here, breaking out to the highs. Right? Continues to be strong. I had a nice trade on Nvidia today. Sorry. I had a nice trade on Nvidia today. A nice move back up on that one. Overall, holding up well. I will admit I was a little bit out of touch with the market early on. It took me a little while to find my footing. All right, that was a nice one. There was lots of things to trade today in terms of stuff like that. Netflix, which state? Typing in the wrong spot. Netflix, the report they hated last night. They bought a ton of it back here. We'll see how that trade is going for the rest of the week. Help me out, guys. What am I missing here? Software was not the place to be. Palantir, while it's off the lows, got killed today. Microsoft, CRM, they continue not to like the software cloud space. Bitcoin came down, went red for the year before bouncing here. Still not looking great, although Trump seems to want to get stuff done so China doesn't take over Bitcoin. That could be a good thing. Guys, what am I missing here? I started a new position today on Path here in the 1420 area. I like that one longer term. And other than that, made nice little trades on Intel. What do I trade today? No, it was the other day. I made Oklo, XLE, TQQQs a couple times, Tesla, and Nvidia. So with that said, going to tomorrow, we have GDP at 8:30, PCE at 10 a.m. Trump will be spending the night over in Davos, so don't be surprised if some more headlines come out of there, especially in regards to Ukraine. I'll catch you guys in the morning. We'll open it up at 8:25. Hope you guys enjoy this.